Small cramped working spaces are a common issue for electricians. So let's see how Klein Tools have remedied the problem with this week's feature product, the Electrician's Mini Ratchet Set. This slim profile ratchet fits in the palm of your hands, only needing 5 degrees of sweeping to start ratcheting. And the built-in finger loop means you can fasten with just a single digit, making it perfect for confined work areas. The head is dual-sided with a 1/4 inch nut driver on one end and a 5/16 nut driver on the other. Bits included in the set are a number 1 and number 2 Phillips head, a 3/16 and 1/4 inch flat head, and there's even a 1/4 inch drive socket adapter, so you can use nearly any socket you already own. The chromium vanadium steel body means that not only is this tool convenient to carry around, but is also able to withstand all the abuse you can throw at it. And since this little guy can slip into tight areas, Klein Tools included a built-in rig magnet and a bit clip to prevent bits from falling out and being lost in tiny crevices. So now, no matter how small the job, you can be sure you'll get her done with this week's feature product, the Electrician's Mini Ratchet Set from Klein Tools. Ever had a job that this little tool would have made easier? Tell us about it in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.